Hey everybody, so as you can see, a lot of our varieties are topping the trellis. We're getting a good amount of fall and winter growth in our garden here, probably because of the soil and the rain recently. But as I tie them down and trim them back here, I noticed something. So you can see this variety here, Maria Rosa. I'm concerned that it could cut onto, this metal could cut it as it gets heavier. So that's really common, and I saw that a lot of the farms this summer, that the metal would embed into the plant as it got heavier and larger. So to combat that, I was using bamboo here, you can see, because we have plenty of it, luckily. So it's not a cost issue for me, it's more of a time issue. But I tried to be innovative here, and I was using, you can see here, vinyl tubing, because it's much softer than the metal here, and I thought that this would be a really great fit. But if you look carefully, there's a problem. See all the moisture in there? So luckily this is the first season here and our second rainstorm, and I'm already noticing that these vinyl tubing here is really accelerating the rusting of the wire mesh. And so since the whole purpose why I use metal here is to have it outlast most of the wood, you know, I did use some cedar, you can see a support, but I also use PVC. But this is going to be a problem. I mean, if you look really carefully, notice that that's just no good. You can see all the rust inside there, so if I pull it off, you can see why I'm taking all of this hard. I mean, this is a lot of work to cut these and whatnot, but you can see there's rust in there and it just holds the moisture in there and it's still wet. So this is going to be a really bad strategy. So if you saw me talk about it earlier, I apologize. And you can see I'm going to take it all off and just use straight bamboo or keep it bare metal. I may try to use something like little bits of bamboo on just the parts where they touch and leave the metal alone to save time. But definitely don't just cover your metal with using this strategy here, sorry to say, because it's going to accelerate the rust. So there you go. There's an update. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Have a great day. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.